So here we will see the code for the Arduino Uno, which we will be uploading. So here we have include the servo library, and we have defined the pins of sonar sensor to Arduino Uno, and then we have defined some variables, and then I have defined the mode. What will these pins do? Like trick pin will give the output and echo pin will give the input. Now I have begin the serial monitor so that the Arduino and my system will contact to each other and give some values. Now I have assigned that I have attached my servo to pin 12 of Arduino. Now there is the for loop which will define the degree for the servo. As you can see, I have my servo dot write, which will give the value of I to the servo motor, and the servo motor will rotate according to the degree. Now I have the distance for the variable, and that will be calculating the distance, and its program is written below. It's by the each degree. So there are some mathematical equations that will be duration and 0.342 like, and it will be giving the value, all the you can say the input or the output given by the sonar sensor will be recorded here in the distance variable. Now let's upload the code. So first you have to go to tools and select your Arduino board. If you are having the Arduino Nano, then you can select the Arduino Nano, and if you are having the Arduino Mega, then you can select the Arduino Mega. In my case, I am having Arduino Uno, so I will select that. Then I will select the COM or the port which I have connected to Arduino. Then we will simply verify it first. So here you can see it's showing that we are compiling the sketch, and here I have done compiling and then we will upload the sketch. So why do we have to verify and compile it? So it will check that there is any error in the code. Now as you can see, our servo motor has begun to do the rotation as per this code. Now let's move on to the processing. So here you can see that it's the processing code which we will be inserting, so it can draw some figures, or the output given by the sonar sensor is made in more precise manner. So here we will run the code. So first of all, I want to you to mind here that we have to select our COM here. Let me find that line where it's, yeah. So as you can see on the 29th line, there is my port new serial COM3. So you have to select here the COM, the port you have connected to the Arduino. In my case, it's COM3. Then we will run the code. So as you can see, it's our processing doing. So what it's measuring here. So as you can see, we have the output of the sonar sensor to our computer. So what's he's measuring? What are the outputs showing here? So let's let me adjust the sonar sensor a little bit. Okay. So now we can see that it is showing that there is no object. It's counting the wall as an object because it's very precise. So, and here you can see the angle which is shown by the servo motor, which is on which angle the servo motor is rotating, and it will define the distance, at which distance the object is. So as you can see, there are some green bars. Green bars refers to that there is no object in the area, and red bars refers to that there are some objects in the area. So let's add a cube here. So this is my cube, and you can see it is now showing this red part, as you can see, as my cube. So as you can see, it's when the object is come in the sonar sensor, it will show the in range, and then it will also give you the distance in the very precise manner. It would not be so accurate, but it will be round off. So it's counting my wall as object. Yeah, it's a wall is also an object, so we will don't mind that. So this was our project of Arduino, in which we have used the sonar sensor and servo motor in Arduino to make a radar. As you can see, this radar you have maybe seen in the movies, I think so, in the aeroplanes or fighter jets. So yeah, thank you for watching our video, and stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye.